Hey 5C, I wanted to put together a video to help you figure out how to get to your Pearson accounts and the work that's assigned there, and then also go through lesson 10.2 from Pearson. That's what we went through on Tuesday in our Zoom call, and today you're just going to watch the visual learning and then do a quick check when you're finished. But I wanted to go through that with you and then show you how to get to those assignments. If you're looking at your main page on your Schoology account, there's two ways to get to your Pearson account. You can look at the top right-hand side of the screen where there's the four little boxes and click those, and the Pearson or the Schoology apps will come down, give you a drop-down menu, and you can pick Pearson that way. Or you can go to your courses, and yours will look a little bit different because you have different courses that you're assigned to, but we all have this one that's the 5th grade. And then you'll come to the left-hand side and scroll down to the bottom where it says Pearson there. And then you can click Launch App, and your email address will come up, so you'll click that. And then Pearson Realize. And you'll be on the home screen for Pearson. And whenever I assign something to your, like a playlist, you're going to click on My Library. And then similar to like a playlist in iTunes or Spotify or something like that, you can assign several different videos from Pearson. And that's what today's playlist is. But it's just the visual learning. That's all that's in there today. So we're going to watch that together, and then when we're done, we'll go over to classes to look at the quick check. There's your visual learning, and it'll start just like we do at school. So they took all the different weights of the dogs and put them in order from smallest or the least amount all the way over to the greatest or the largest amount to help you get organized for the line plot. And then the different columns show how often each weight appears. So the tallies are how many dogs weigh that amount. If you're looking at the line plot, you can see the different dots represent, each individual dot represents one dog, and you can see that the most frequent number is 12 and 1/4. And then you can see that the least amount, or the least frequent, there's two of them. One is 11 and a half, and one is 7 and 1/4. Okay, now that the video's over, we're going to go back to our main screen, and you're going to click Classes, and on yours you'll go to Assignments, and then the Pearson Quick Check will be there waiting for you, and that has 5 different questions that you can go through today, which all should look familiar after our Zoom lesson today, and then we went through some of the information last week. So if you have any problems, just let me know. Otherwise, I will plan to see you again on our Zoom call on Thursday. See you later.